All right, we'll do a quick unboxing of the Synology RT6600ax. It's got 1.8 gigahertz quad-core CPU, tri-band Wi-Fi 6 up to 6.6 gigabits per second, configurable 2.5 gigabit Ethernet WAN LAN, and multiple networks for device security. Let's take a look. Install guide. There's the unit. Nice little covering. And looks like power supply and Ethernet. Okay, well this is a little bigger than usual, but at least it doesn't have a very wide footprint, so if you're going to plug it into a power strip, that's probably going to be helpful. Give me an Ethernet cable. Okay, so power, reset, there's a power button. It's a hard button, or a mechanical, that's good. Here are the LANs, or also WAN 2. And here's WAN 1, and then USB. Can do wall mount, a couple of screws. Also on the right side of the unit, we've got a WPS button and a Wi-Fi button. So if you want to be able to turn your Wi-Fi on and off, you can do that right here with this button. So with this unit back here, we've got the WAN 2, which is also the LAN 1, 2.5 gigabit per second connection. So this can serve two functions. You can use this for your internet, your ISP connection, and use this to connect to something like a Synology NAS, for example, that has a 10 gigabit Ethernet card or anything higher than 1 gig. You can also, if you've got internet speeds, if you've got gigabit internet speeds, you can configure this as a WAN, wide area network, going out to the internet. And then that would leave you 3 LANs to connect to. So when you switch this over, basically you'll have a secure connection to the internet. It will treat this as if it was a WAN port.